Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking a virtual journey to the charming city of Dundee, Australia. Here, nestled amidst a historic neighborhood, lies a remarkable home that has been thoughtfully updated to meet the needs of its modern occupants. This house has a rich history, having been owned by the same family for decades. As the family grew and their lifestyle evolved, they realized the need for a renovation. The goal was to modernize the home while preserving its character and charm. The architects carefully considered the existing structure and its unique features. By preserving the original fireplaces, architraves, and skirtings, they were able to create a seamless blend of old and new. The modern additions were designed to complement the existing architecture rather than overpower it. The renovation involved removing dead-end spaces and creating a more open-plan layout. This allows for better flow and flexibility, making the home ideal for entertaining and family gatherings. The large windows and sliding doors bring natural light into the interior and create a strong connection with the outdoors. Sustainability was a key consideration in the renovation project. The architects focused on using energy-efficient materials and improving the home's insulation. The result is a more comfortable and environmentally friendly living space. The renovated home is a perfect example of how a traditional building can be adapted to meet the needs of modern living. The architects have created a space that is both stylish and functional, while preserving the home's unique character. This renovation project is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and the importance of preserving historic buildings. It's a home that has evolved with the times while maintaining its timeless charm. What do you think of this inspiring renovation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more architectural explorations.